Welcome back. Uh, Good day today. I uh, I wanted shorts all day, and it just ended up playing out how I originally thought. Like what I do have to stop doing though is like watching anything in the morning, because sometimes I'll watch people like live stream because I'm just sitting there hanging out or whatever, and like I'll watch people who are good traders or even if they're not or whatever, I'll watch both. But I get like influenced to like trick myself out of my own position sometimes, and I'm like, I can't be doing this. So if I wanted shorts, but I watched like I clicked on like three different people and they all were talking about longs, and I'm like, oh god, like this is, I'm like, am I wrong? And I start questioning. I'm like, no, just trust myself, and then I just like exit it out because I just don't want to be influenced or whatever. And it ended up kind of playing out exactly how I wanted it to. I mean, I thought we were bear flagging going into open. I know we had sold off so much, so obviously you have targets to the upside and it's all time highs or whatever. But I thought it looked like we were coming down towards this 990 target, like of this opening day candle. The no wick on the bottom. It had a little bit of a gap from like Thursday or whatever. I just thought that was a good target, and it just looked like we were going lower. So I'm like, okay, we're probably pushing towards that low, and we were below all the EMAs. We started bear flagging at the open, like on this 15-minute chart. I'm like, okay, we're bear flagging. So I was just looking for shorts. I almost shorted this top here. I literally, on this candle close, I was like, God, that off of VWAP, I'm like, just looks like that's going to be the top. I didn't, and it would have played out or whatever, but it's fine. I was like, let me wait for more confirmation. I get a nice bear flag. I wait for the trap above here. We get it. We kind of sit here and chop for a couple candles. Once we come back down, like decisively, I got in, or what I thought was decisive, that we were going to come back, and then we chop around for a little bit, and then hit my 1 to 1 here, hit my 1 to, or like my target here. I didn't go for like a straight R. And if I took a trade with 5 micros instead of 3 micros, I would have took 3 off here, 1 off here, and then I'd be holding 1 for here. Um, I'm still kind of messing around. Like, I'm really loving my entries right now. I feel like my entries, my stop is actually at a point of invalidation, and um, I feel like I'm taking way less drawdown in my trades, even if they're right or wrong. Like, I'm, I feel like because normally I'd be entering like here, so I'd like enter and then I'd pull back, and sometimes they're just going with me out or whatever, and that's like, but with this, I enter here, and then I actually get the push down to here, and then it kind of chops in profit as opposed to chop like what we come down, yeah, I'm in a little bit of drawdown here or whatever, but for the most part, it's like I don't know. It just seems so much better. So with my entries going like seeming better and my risk, I'm still critiquing it because I don't know exactly what to do with parcels or if I like it. But I think I don't want to go break even after my 1 to 1 because so many times I feel like it'll come back and then go because that's just how the market moves. It's going to push up. If it pushes up 50 points, it's probably going to pull back and then go like continue the trend or whatever. But I think I know I saw ES in my comments again saying he'll like wait for a couple targets to get hit before he goes break even, and I kind of think I'm on the same boat as that. Like if I was trading 5 micros today, I think I would take 1 off here or take 3 off here, take 1 off here, and then go break even here, because like I mean this is a 217 point trade if I wanted it, which would be Jesus Christ a 1 to 4.3 if that was the case. It was close too, but that's kind of the idea of where I think it's gonna go. But yeah, I'm just getting my confidence back and realizing, or I don't know if I know how to trade honestly because my confidence is still low. But like, I would like to think I learned something over fucking 2 or 3 years or however long it's fucking been at this point, 2.5 years. That I know what I'm doing a little bit and I have a semi idea of what the market's gonna do, and I just gotta be right. I just gotta be right, or I just gotta make money when I'm right. That's all it is. Because before it's like, well, I'm not gonna make money when I'm wrong, but I was still not making money when I was right. I would lose and the trade would play out. So I'm like, I gotta fix that. And I really think my entries and getting my stop a little bit more pushed back and giving myself a little bit more room and actually letting my trades play out because maybe I sabotage myself because I'm trying to be discretionary in my risk. But it's like if I'm discretionary in my entry because I come up with my thesis or whatever and then need to see things happen, why can't that be my discretion and then my risk is kind of more set? in stone or whatever. Like at least my 1-to-1, and then the targets are more discretionary too. But um, yeah, I don't know. I'm feeling good. I mean, I'm still down on the week in this account. I didn't take anything in these because I was kind of the one trade. So yesterday I took a trade and I did the partials, and then it came back and stopped me out after it took out my 1-to-1. So it is what it is. But that's still like a break even day, and it's plus $100 even. Like depending on how you look at it, people might think you won because you hit a 1-to-1, which could be the case because these could be up $500, but they're only up 100. But if it played out, I would have been up $750 or whatever the fucking case, maybe $1,000. Like so, it depends. But I mean, one trade almost made back 2 losses from yesterday. So, yeah, I know 250 is low to risk, but like if I risked 500, I would have made like fucking $900 or whatever. So, and then this account would be closer to being passed because it's pulled back a little bit, but I'm just trying not to rush the process right now and just trying to give myself some confidence back, and it's going all right. So, yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. I think it's FOMC, so we'll see how that goes. But, yeah, that's all I really got. Take care.